This show car demonstrates the future of Mercedes-Benz cars. In 2019, we will start the production of the first EQC. It's the first electric vehicle of an all-new generation. Our flexible and efficient production network reaches from one end of the world to the other. Our electric vehicles will be built in 6 plants on 3 continents. We address every market segment, from the smart 4-2-seater to a large SUV. The battery is a key component of e-mobility. As batteries are the heart of our electric vehicles, we put a great emphasis on building them into our own factories. With our global battery network, we are in an excellent position. As we are close to our vehicle plants, we can ensure the optimum supply of production. In case of a short-term high demand in another part of the world, our battery factories are also well prepared for export. The electric initiative of Mercedes-Benz cars is right on track. Our global production network is ready for e-mobility. We are electrifying the future.